Well, here's something new. You do Billie Eilish, 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 I believe. Birds of a Feather. Now, birds of a feather should stick together, but I don't know if that's necessarily going to be the case for Miss Billie Eilish. Anyhow, let's go ahead and jump into this. Give us a like and a subscribe. Ring-a-ding-ding the bell. Big old thumbie up. There we go. And let's get into it.
I want you to stay till I'm in the grave, till I rot away, dead and buried, till I'm in the casket you carry. If you go, I'm going too, 'cause it was always you.
What the hell?
Save me. Nothing left to lose without my baby. Birds of a feather, we should stick together. I know I said I'd never think I wasn't better alone. Can't change the weather, might not be forever, but if it's forever, it's even better. And I don't know what I'm crying for. I don't think I could love you more. It might not be long, but baby, I'll love you till the day that I die. Till the day that I die. Till the light leaves my eyes. Till the day that I die. I want you to see how you look to me. You wouldn't believe if I told you. You would keep the compliments I throw you, but you're so full of shit. Tell me it's a bit. Oh, say you don't see it. Your mind's polluted. Say you wanna quit. Don't be stupid. And I don't know what I'm crying for. I don't think I could love you more. Might not be long, but baby, I don't wanna say goodbye. We should still get it till the light in my eyes. Till the day I die. Forever is even
Alrighty then. I don't know what all the pulling her around was all about. I'm not picking up on the symbolism, I guess, on that. But boy, her voice is pretty, and it's a nice song, you know. Don't be surprised that I love you. I mean, nice. I like that. But I don't get why was she being dragged around? I don't get it. But still, beautiful voice, very quiet. I kind of like that, you know. It's a little, not quite sultry, but, you know, quiet and reserved. Very nice, very, very nice. I like that quite a bit. What do you think? You like Billie Eilish? You like her song Birds of a Feather? I don't understand what the name has to do with the song lyrics or the visuals, but Hey, what the hell do I know? All right, get in there, comment, tell me your thoughts, and I'll go find something else for us to listen to. But that was pretty.